So network components. So network components. So what are the network components? So IP, subnet mask, static IP, gateway, dynamic IP. So what is IP? So IP is the an internet protocol address. Is a numerical label assigned to each device connected to a computer network that uses the internet protocol for the communication. An IP addresses serves two main functions. One is host, or second one is network interface identification and location of the address. So each server that have that one IP address to connect from the internet. And then subnet mask. So what is subnet mask? A subnet mask used to divide an IP addresses into two parts. One part identifies the host, so means like the server, the computer. So and the other part identifies the network to the which it belongs to, means the network. So from which it belongs to, from where it was. To better understanding how IP address and subnet mask work, look into IP, the Internet Protocol, and see how it's organized. So this is the IP classes are there. So class A, class B, class C. The bits for subnet mask. These are the four the field separator IP range, like 1 dot dot 0 dot 0 dot 0 dot 0. 4 bits will be there in the IP4. So the class A will under it comes the uh, it's a 32 bit and 128 bit orchestration of that subnet mask. So these the bits for the subnet mask. So this is the actors 1, 2, 3, 4. So first field will be that it will read that 1 and then zeros, and then there is a subnet mask for this kind of IP class A IP range. So subnet mask will be 255.0.0.0, the class B and the class C. So these is the bits for the subnet mask, and then what is the range of subnet mask for these classes. So what is gateway? The gateway is a hardware device that acts as a gate between the two networks. So so we have the two different kind of networks. So that gateway will act as the gate in between that. So it will uh, just example like router, switches. So those are the gates. It may be a router or firewall or server or other device that enables the traffic flow in and out of the network. So if you want to connect the system, so you have that one gateway. So you need to communicate from that from the internal our network, from means like our computer, and then so outside of the network, from the outside of the network. So that will be if you want to connect from Gmail or else some other network servers. So you want it will be the gateway will be there. First it will be communicate with the gateway, and then it will allows the traffic inside of our computer, and then it will send that request, and then the network request to outside of the network. So this is the gateway means. These are the like general description of the network components. Static and dynamic IPs. There are two kind of IPs, are static and dynamic. The static IP is addresses simply an address that doesn't change. Once your device is assigned a static IP address, that number typically stay the same until the device is decommissioned or your network architecture changes, or else you need to change them manually. The static IP addresses generally are used by the servers or other important equipment. So means like static IP means, so it was a stable, it won't be changes. So whatever IP address we given, then it will be take that IP. So it won't change. So until you change. What is DHCP? Is a dynamic. So what dynamic IP? A dynamic IP is addresses is an IP address that changes from time to time, unlike a static IP address. Most home networks are likely to have a dynamic IP addresses. And the reason for this because it is a effective for internet service providers to allocate dynamic IP address to their customers. So dynamic IP. So whenever your system reboots, then it will be IP will be changed. So this is the basic difference between the static and dynamic. So dynamic will be the DHCP, and then so how to connect the network to our systems. So that called as interface. So interface. So interface. Each interface have that the network interface. So each network interface have the MAC address. So MAC address will be unique. It was not able to change. So this is the network components, basic network component descriptions. So